The Meghalaya Congress, through its youth and women's wings, staged a peaceful protest on the 15th of October 2025 to condemn the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS) and express outrage over allegations of sexual assault reportedly involving its members. The demonstration was also held in response to the recent suicide of Ananda Aji from Kottayam, which the party linked to sustained harassment and abuse. The protest was led by Meghalaya Youth Congress President Timjin K. Momin, Indian Youth Congress General Secretary Tarjoni, and Meghalaya Mahila Congress President Joblin Shila, with numerous party members and office bearers joining in solidarity with victims and calling for justice. The Meghalaya Youth Congress condemned the RSS and the alleged sexual misconduct associated with its affiliates, emphasizing the need for an independent investigation and accountability for those responsible. The party reiterated that the demonstration reflected the broader commitment of the Indian National Congress to protect the rights, dignity and safety of individuals, particularly women and young people across the country.
Justice for Ananda Aji. Justice for Ananda Aji. Justice for Ananda Aji. Justice for Ananda Aji. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Down, down, BJP. Down, down, BJP. Down, down, BJP. Down, down. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Down, down, RSS. 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 Down, down. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice.
Today, we the Congress family, including the Youth Congress, Mahila Congress and the Central Congress family, we have joined together to protest against the incident that recently happened with the IT professional Ananda Aji, the RSS, which was he was a member of the RSS family during his childhood, and he got assaulted multiple times sexually, and after he got multiple times assaulted, he committed suicide. So we want justice for the family and the victim of Ananda Aji, and we also protest against the RSS and the BJP, who has the strength and who follows the ideology of RSS. So we need protection against the children, the mahilas, and human dignity we deserve, and we need justice against the inhuman act that happens recently in Kerala. Thank you.
I agree with what he's saying. The centre must give justice to what's happened to Ananda Aji, and we demand that. And for all the crimes, not only in Kerala, we need the crimes to be sought out, and crimes that has happened in Meghalaya, for the children that has died in been murdered, we need justice for them too.